Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome also to my viewers in TikTok. So for this video presentation, let us talk about how to find percentile and decile. So without further ado, let's get started.
Percentile is a statistical measure that indicates the relative position of a value within a dataset. So we have a formula for percentile. That is P sub k is equals to k over 100 times n plus 1. Okay, so let's go to the example to apply this formula. So in a college, a list of grades of 12 students has been declared. So their grades are given as 85, 34, 42, 51, 84, 86, 78, 85, 87, 69, 74, and 65. So we are required to find the 88th percentile. Okay, so in computing the percentile, we need to arrange the data from the least to the highest. Okay, so I have here the sorted element of this data set. Okay, so let us now compute the percentile. Okay, so let us take the value for k. So our k is equals to the 80 percentile. Okay, so next our n. This is one of the element in the equation or formula. So our n is the number of element of this data set. So there are 12 element in this data set. Okay, so let us now start computing for the percentile. So our k is 80 is equals to 80 over 100. We multiply it by the number of n. So our n is 12 plus 1. Okay, so we have 80 multiplied by 13 over 100. Okay, so if we are going to multiply the 80 times 13, that is equals to 1040, then divide it by 100. Okay, the result, we're going to divide 1040 divided by 100, that is equals to 10.4. Okay, so we drop the 4, that is equivalent to 10. So the percentile 10, it is just a position. We are looking here the positions of the score. So we are going to count 10 starting from the lowest score to the highest. So this is 34 start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our 80 percentile is equals to 85. So our P 80 is equals to 85. Okay, so that is how to find or calculate the percentile. Sana nakuha nyo. Okay, so we are now on decile. So let me read to you the definition of decile. So decile is a method that is used to divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. So when data is divided into deciles, a decile rank is assigned to each data point in order to sort the data into ascending or a descending order. So we have also formula in calculating the decile. So our formula is d sub k is equals to k times n plus 1 over 10. Okay, so let us go to the example. Okay, so we are required to find the third decile, fourth decile, and eighth decile of the following test scores of a random sample of 10 students. So the elements are 35, 42, 40, 28, 15, 23, 33, 20, 18, and 28. So in computing the decile is similar to the computations of percentile, in the sense that we are going to arrange the data from the least to the highest. So I have here the sorted element of this data set. So let us now apply the formula. Okay, so let us take the value of k. So in this example, our value of k is third. Let us start with 3. This is our first requirement, third. Then our in this example is the number of element. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 elements of this data set. Okay, so let us now proceed to the decile formula. Okay, so our d have now 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by 10 plus 1 over 10. Okay, so this is 3 times 11 over 10. Okay, so 3 times 11, that is 33, divided by 10, then 33 divided by 10 is 3.5, I mean 3.3 rather, 3.3. Okay, so the 3.3 is the number that we are going to count starting from the less, that is 15, starting from 15 going to the third scores. Okay, so 3 it is the positions of our score. So this is 1, 2, 3. So our third decile, third. Okay, our decile 3 is equals to 20. Okay, so we did not round it off this 3.3 because 0.3, that is below 5. Okay, this is only 3. Okay, so we are done with the third decile. So let us proceed to the fourth decile. Okay, so our d is 4 equals to 4 over 10 multiplied by 11 is our n. So that is 4 times 11, that is 44, divided by 10, that is equals to 4.4. Sorry. Okay, meron siya 4.4. Ayusin natin 4.4. Okay, so yung 4 nating or 4.4, it tells us the positions of our score, or this is just 0.4. Drop natin yung 0.4 kasi hindi pa siya lumampas ng 5. Okay, so magka-count tayo starting from 15 going to the right, and then locate natin yung 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So ang decile 4 is equals to 23. So our decile 4 is equals to 23. Okay, so that is how to compute the decile. Okay, this is our decile 4. This is our decile 3. Okay, so you can proceed in computing the decile 8 for this video presentation. Okay, so you can pause this video, then calculate the 8 decile. Okay, so sana meron kayong natutunan dito sa video presentation na ito. Thank you for watching.